Hello skaters! Today we are continuing to work on rockers and counters using power pulls, mohawks and Choctaws as connecting steps. This is a great warm-up routine for skaters to improve their edges, ice coverage, twist position, extension and ankle and knee bend. We will start our warm-up with the first exercise, which consists of a forward outside 3-step mohawk and a backward inside counter. Begin with a left forward outside edge, stepping into a right forward inside crossover. Then perform a left forward outside to right backward outside mohawk, followed by a crossover with the left foot, gliding on a left backward inside edge after. On the axis, push into a 2-foot transition and shift to a right backward inside edge. From there, do a backward crossover, left backward outside to right backward inside, creating a new circle. On the axis of this new circle, perform a right backward inside counter. Then repeat the entire sequence again. Focus on maintaining proper shoulder alignment when stepping into the forward outside to backward outside mohawk. Prepare your twist position with the upper body before the counter. And check your exit from the counter with proper alignment and bent knee and ankle of your skating leg. Repeat the same sequence starting on the opposite foot. Begin with a right forward outside to a left forward inside crossover. Step into right forward outside to left backward outside mohawk. Cross in front with the right foot, gliding on a right backward inside edge. Then do a 2-foot transition onto the left backward inside edge on the axis, followed by a backward crossover on the second circle, and finish with a left backward inside counter on the axis. If you want to learn more about crossovers and mohawks or improve your skills with detailed tutorials and explanations, check out my Beginner Skater Foundations video course at styleskating.com. Join today to master all your basic skills, spins, and single jumps with proper technique, avoid common mistakes, and progress faster. Click on the link above or look in the description below for more information. Our second exercise is the forward inside mohawk with backward outside counter. We will start with a right forward inside to left backward inside mohawk. After the mohawk, push into a right backward outside edge, reach across the axis and execute a right backward outside counter. Immediately follow with a right forward outside 3-turn and then a backward crossover on the next circle. After the crossover, step forward outside on the left foot and begin the sequence again. Extend your free leg fully after each push. Reach your free leg back before the counter, maintaining a deep outside edge. Bring your feet closer together, rocking from the front to the heel of your skating foot during the turn. Keep your knee and ankle bent both before and after the turns. Now repeat on the other side. Start with a left forward inside to right backward inside mohawk, push into a left backward outside edge, then execute a left backward outside counter with nice extension and soft knees before and after the turn. Follow with a left forward outside 3-turn and a backward crossover on the next circle. Return to the axis, step onto the right forward outside edge and start the sequence again. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. For more personalized help, join my YouTube membership, where you can reach out to me directly with your technical questions and even request a video on the specific element you are working on. Click the link above or check the description below to join. Our next exercise is power pulls with counters. Start with a few power pulls on the left foot, followed by a left forward outside counter, and immediately after a left backward outside counter. Continue with power pulls until you shift to your inside edge. From there, perform 2 counters, left forward inside to left backward inside. Then resume power pulls, starting the sequence again from the outside edge. Timing Twist position and knee and ankle bend are critical components of this exercise. Now repeat the same sequence on the right foot. One of the most frequent errors in this exercise is missing the timing of the forward outside counter and accidentally changing your edge before the turn. To avoid this, make sure that as soon as you finish reaching forward with your free leg, you initiate the turn immediately before your free leg goes too far back. Otherwise, you may end up doing a forward and side return instead of the counter. Our next exercise combines power pulls and rockers. Start with a backward power pull, then perform a backward outside to forward outside rocker. Continue with a couple more power pulls, change your edge to inside, and finish with a backward inside to forward inside rocker. Then return to the beginning of the sequence and repeat. In this exercise, it's very important to maintain a precise free leg position before, during, and after each turn. Also check the alignment of your shoulders and hips after each rocker to ensure you are in a strong position to continue with quick turns across the ice. Make sure to practice this exercise on both feet. If you are just starting to learn rockers and counters, check out my playlist dedicated to these turns by clicking the link above or checking the description below. Our next exercise will be Choctaws with rockers. Start on the left forward inside edge, followed by 3 Choctaws, finishing on the right backward outside edge. Immediately after, execute a right backward outside rocker and the right forward outside rocker. After the rockers, step into a left forward inside Choctaw, switch your leg, and repeat the sequence on the right foot. Do 3 Choctaws, followed by a left backward outside rocker and a left forward outside rocker. Then step into a right forward inside Choctaw, switch your leg again, and repeat the full sequence. Maintain strong postures throughout, aim for quick controlled turns, engage your knees and ankles actively during both steps and turns. Now we are going to start backward on the right backward outside edge with the 3 Choctaws, finishing on the left forward inside edge. And immediately execute a left forward inside and left backward inside counters. From the left forward inside edge, step into a right backward outside Choctaw, then do a power pull into a right inside edge. Push with the right foot and begin the next sequence. Start on the left backward outside edge with 3 Choctaws, then perform a right forward inside and right backward inside counters, followed by another Choctaw from the right forward inside to the left backward outside edge. Add a power pull and restart the entire sequence from the beginning. Maintain edge control through the transitions, keep your upper body stable during quick turns, use strong pushes and knee action to flow smoothly between steps. I hope these exercises help you feel more confident with your rockers, counters, Choctaws, and power pulls while improving your edge control, posture, and timing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.